What was your take on the whole thing? There's things in the news, and they've got all the talking heads are going off about the whole thing. I really can't believe it.
Testing, touching.
NBC documentary. Yes, it's a documentary in nature. Open forum here at NBC in nature. Here we are. This is table for two, good measure. Table for three, oh boy. What's your take on that?
Table for one, so I guess I don't have much to say about it.
I understand. What's the saltiest experience you've ever had?
Probably semen.
I understand. There's all kinds of spooks and ghosts, and what's been a spookier ghost you've encountered? Yeah, you know, and they got ghosts and poltergeists and howls all around the corner. Well, I get it, you know, because I was speechless the first time I saw it. This is Jake's show. Have you ever had like a, you know, like a tofu veggie burger? When my wife lets me. Yeah, I bet. It's been a bad trip since day one.
What more ahead?
I was born on an airplane.
Sure.
Global citizen. What do you think the hardest part is? You know, if you're walking around and you're checking out the scene, and you know, how could it be that? What would you say is? What are you carrying with Pat? What's your opinion? If you're going around and you're talking, and you know, here we are, and how do you feel about both? Oh yeah. Like from England, or? Oh, and then you were in like London, you were saying, or? Oh yeah, it's, you know, because the first time I understand, you know. Oh yeah, you know,
Thank you.
If you're out in Brighton Beach, and you know, and you get on talking about it, what's your take on the whole matter of that? You know, because she was saying she was in London and then, you know, went down to Brighton Beach, and you know, what's your stance on the whole matter? You gonna get like a taxi cab, or?
I mean, sure. I mean, we don't want to walk.
Well, if you could sign up, and you know, no, because I you know, because I actually had to when you're walking around, how do you have to do it?
Where I'm going?
Where you are? How do you? No, you know, because I think, you know, there's a lot of, you know.
They don't want you to be candid out here anymore. Take it from him, okay?
Do you use like a Bowflex, or what's your?